Hello everyone, this is Rocco and today we're going to talk about a very important topic: customizing your landing pages and making them as effective as possible. Just remember, whenever somebody comes on your site has no idea who you are, what your company is. Of course sometimes they do because you might be a large brand, but you always need to think that nobody knows who you are. So whenever they get on your landing page, are they gonna learn enough to convince them on to make a purchase on your website? So in order to get there, you need to do a couple of things. First of all, you need to be extremely clear about your product. Right above the fold, you need to tell people what your product is, show some images maybe, show benefits and features, and the same thing of course applies to services. You always need to put trust factors on your landing page, all the guarantees you have, every money back that you might offer, but put that where it's very visible, maybe right above the fold as well. It is also going to be very important to provide additional proof of the validity of your services. Usually having reviews on the landing page itself helps a lot. But all in all, make sure that your landing page matches what you're advertising. So for example, if you have specific keywords, you want these keywords to be in the advertising message but also on the landing page. So you might need to create copies of your landing pages to match the different ad groups or the different keywords or the different target groups that you have in your campaign through Facebook or Google or any other advertising tool that you're really using. Make sure to also use videos wherever you can, but never drive people away from your website. So if you have a video, don't display it on a third-party platform. Just make sure it's natively uploaded on your website. Whenever you use a landing page, also make sure to test it. Figure out what brings you a higher conversion rate. Whenever I work, for example, on e-commerce stores, I always test different buttons in terms of buy now or add to cart, and I actually test the add to cart page and the checkout page to increase conversion rates. Should you guys have any questions or you want me to answer any questions about any funnel you might have set up, please let me know. I will answer that as soon as possible. Bye bye.